Hey guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best iPhone in 2023. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the iPhones in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best iPhone on the market right now. Coming at number 5, we've got the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. Pros: sleek and tough, beautiful display with dynamic island, superb camera, fast and powerful. Cons: some might find it a tad too heavy. Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max is today's biggest and most capable iPhone. Thanks to a much bigger screen and longer battery life, it is a luxurious productivity and entertainment powerhouse worth the extra $100 over the iPhone 14 Pro. This is the Pro iPhone to get as long as you don't mind its size and heft. Having the biggest and brightest Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion tech ensures that the range-topping iPhone is the best for gaming, watching videos, and staying productive on the go. The captivating screen is also great for editing photos and videos captured by the best-in-class triple camera. Of course, the screen also has a dynamic island for countless new interactions. The 14 Pro Max has the biggest battery of any iPhone. Depending on how you manage your screen on time, it can last for 2 days between charges, making it a great option for those who are constantly on the go. The product's battery performance is a worthy trade-off for its considerable size and weight. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is available in the same color and storage options as the smaller iPhone 14 Pro: gold, silver, space black, and deep purple. It starts at $1,099 for a model with 128 gigabytes of storage. Coming at number 4, Apple iPhone 13 Mini. Pros: best-in-class graphics and processing power, superb ergonomics, great dual camera, better battery life than iPhone 12 Mini. Cons: could use a zoom lens. The iPhone 13 Mini, as its name suggests, is the smartphone to buy if you're looking for a smaller-sized model that doesn't skimp on features. It has the same design, craftsmanship, specs, and performance as the iPhone 13, but a smaller 5.4 inches Super Retina XDR display. With a new starting price tag of $599, the Mini is also the most affordable member of the iPhone 13 product family. It's available in pink, blue, green, midnight, starlight, and red. As the name might suggest, the product size is its most impressive selling point. Because it has such a compact display, it's perfect for one-handed interactions, allowing your thumb to easily stretch from the top of the screen to the bottom. Even if it seems like a small detail, while testing the product, I enjoyed being able to crank out texts and emails with one hand without fear of dropping the device. Compared to the iPhone 12 Mini, the sequel brings a more powerful chip, better camera, and longer battery life. Number 3, Apple iPhone SE. Pros: compact and durable, robust hardware performance, solid camera, affordable price. Cons: dated design, starting just a tad above $400. The latest iPhone SE is an excellent buy for users who don't need or want the most tricked-out smartphone. It has the same compact and familiar design as its predecessor, but vastly more future-proof hardware. You can grab one in midnight, starlight, or red. Equipped with the same A15 Bionic chip with a neural engine as the iPhone 14, the iPhone SE is the most powerful smartphone in its price range and well beyond. Like all new iPhones, it has a water-resistant housing, built-in stereo speakers, and fast wired and wireless charging support. MagSafe support, however, is not available. The new iPhone SE can capture excellent images with its primary camera and selfie snapper, as well as portrait photos with a blurred background. It can also record crisp 4K video with high-quality stabilization and stereo sound. It's important to note that the C is the only iPhone with a Touch ID fingerprint sensor. The feature is fast and reliable, but a bit old school when compared to the Face ID of the pricier iPhones. Face ID-equipped iPhone models have bigger displays with a different aspect ratio than the C, offering more immersive iOS, app, and gaming experiences. Coming at number 2, Apple iPhone 14. Pros: elegant and durable, fast and powerful, excellent dual camera. Cons: same design as the iPhone 13. The iPhone 14 is a fantastic upgrade option since it's packed with cutting-edge hardware specs at an agreeable price. The highlights include Apple's powerful A15 Bionic chipset, a 6.1 inches Super Retina XDR OLED display, excellent stereo speakers, a stellar dual camera, and solid battery life. Starting at $799, the iPhone 14 is competitively priced by today's top-shelf smartphone standards. It's the best pick in its price range by an overwhelming margin. Compared to the stellar iPhone 13 that it replaces, the iPhone 14 has a more powerful GPU, a more sophisticated main camera with a brighter lens, and more reliable safety features that include crash detection and support for emergency SOS via a satellite connection. Overall, the device's ability to deliver better quality memories and more peace of mind is why you consider it, even if you currently own an iPhone 13. Apple offers the iPhone 14 in several eye-catching colors: blue, purple, midnight, starlight, and red. The starter iPhone 14 comes with ample 128 gigabytes of storage, and you can spec it with up to 512 gigabytes of memory. With a bigger 6.7 inches display and incredible battery life, the iPhone 14 Plus is a phenomenal option for big phone buyers looking to keep their upgrade budget below $1,000. The rest of the Plus model specs are identical to those of the iPhone 14, so are the available color options. For $100 less for a variant with the same storage capacity, the iPhone 13 is an affordable alternative to the iPhone 14 that's still among the best smartphones for the money. However, given the camera and safety improvements the iPhone 14 brings, I highly recommend you spend an extra $100 to snag one. Number 1. Apple iPhone 14 Pro. Pros: excellent camera, bright and vibrant display, sleek and luxurious. Dynamic island display is convenient and fun. Cons: pricey. The iPhone 14 Pro is Apple's best smartphone to date, and the one to get if your budget permits. It has a fresh new design with a groundbreaking dynamic island for novel interactions, a next-level camera with more megapixels than any other iPhone, and a Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion tech, and an always-on feature that's perfect for showcasing the new widgets in iOS 16. Compared to the iPhone 14, the Pro model has a more capable chip, a vastly superior triple camera, and a brighter display with ProMotion tech. It also offers a more luxurious build, headlined by a steel frame and glass back with a matte finish. ProMotion and higher maximum brightness for impeccable outdoor visibility are features that set the display of the iPhone 14 Pro apart from all other iPhones. The former brings an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, resulting in smoother and faster on-screen interactions. The smoother display and the powerful chip also make the product a better mobile gaming rig. To say the Pro's camera is impressive would be an understatement. It has a 48MP main sensor, a bigger zoom range, and LiDAR. The latter allows the flagship iPhone to snap better portrait photos and deliver next-level augmented reality experiences. The entry-level iPhone 14 Pro comes with 128 gigabytes of storage, while camera power users can level up to a whopping 1 terabyte of memory. You can order the product in gold, silver, space black, and deep purple, with the last two being all new color options. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best iPhone. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.